All right, it is time to decide which stick goes to auction and which stick gets listed on the website. All along, I figured it would be JFG, just plain gorgeous, that would be going to the auction. And I think the silvery blue and the orange are likely to ring a lot of people's bells. It's just a nice combination, and the flame in the center, it's like the Statue of Liberty, the torch on the Statue of Liberty, and in that black cherry part. It's such a striking stick that I figured it would have to be the one that I put up to auction. But Master of Chocolate is elegant and gorgeous. The red showing up on the shafts and on the joint protector. And the joint protector isn't stained, so it's another color of dessert. It just looks classy. The walnut stain that's splashed at the bottom, next to the squiggly lines of the spalted maple, is like coffee stain on an old treasure map. This stick has just so much going on that I'd really love to see it at auction too. The bottom line is both sticks are genuine humdinger stunners and are thus qualified. It's like a quality standard. It's a humdinger stunner. It's like 5 stars. But anyhow, they're both qualified sticks to compete for your attention. And the fact is I am curious what the market values, whether it likes the classy look or the flashy look. You know what? Let's have a battle of the Q sticks. Let's put both sticks up to auction and let the marketplace decide whether classy and elegant or splashy and loud is the way to rock a pool cue.